Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to easily make a cinematic text intro in CapCut. So here you just need to choose the video that you want to edit and add it to CapCut. Then go to text and just write the text you want. Okay, I'm going to just add this text and change or select the font that you want. In this case, I'm using the Rubik font. Click on a check icon. I'm going to place it on top like this, and then copy the text like this and drag the first tag a bit to the right like so. Now click on a second text and change the style to how you like it. Go to style, and here I'm going to just select the styles and lower the opacity to 0, and then click on stroke, select the white color and adjust the thickness. I'm going to go with 20, and now click on the check icon, click on the first text, go to style, and here you can change the style you want, but I'm going to just leave it as it is. The first tag, maybe I'm going to change the color of the first tag into black, so it will go like this, and adjust the line of both tags to fit the clip like this. Now click on the second text again and go to animation. Under the in category, find the type 2 animation, this one. Adjust the duration. Okay, now click on the check icon and then click on the first tag, animation. Select the type writer animation for the first tag. I'm going to go with okay, click on a check icon and you are done. So the text, the intro text will go like this. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and click on the thanks. Bye.